Jason from Paper Gains. Just wanted to do a quick video on how to use trade alerts. So really quick, on the screen I have an old alert that we sent for Facebook. So first things first, how do you know it's Facebook? Well, this first bar tells you what we're trading on the left and what the actual trade structure is on the right. The next piece is time frame. Time frame is actually how long we believe the logic for this trade is going to be valid. So if you wanted to open the trade after we've posted it, as long as it's within this time frame, that's fine. It's also how long we believe that it should take to get to our profit targets. But for the most part, just keep in mind this time frame is really how long the logic for the trade is going to be valid. From there we have entry zone. So entry zone is the price that we paid to open this option position. That's going to be the first number that you see. If it's a debit, it's going to look like this. If it's a credit, we'll probably say a credit in the parentheses. On this trade and a lot of the trades, we have a price per share. So this is for people that don't trade options, and there's a lot in the group. But if you don't trade options but you want to follow along with the alerts, well, we try to make it as friendly as possible, and you can absolutely do that. So this is what we have here. So you would enter at $2.50 a share, and then you'll follow the profit targets from here. But if you don't trade options, but you still want to kind of swing trade, these alerts are built so that you can also do that. The next part is risk. This trade was a medium risk trade, but we have 3 different categories. So we classify these by 2 things. One is the probability of the trade being profitable, and 2 is the risk reward ratio. So how much am I risking versus how much can I make on this trade? At the very bottom is the note section, and I mentioned logic a couple times, but this is where we spell out the logic that we used to create the alert. So whether it's a trade based on technical analysis, or maybe there's a fundamental reason, maybe there's a volatility event that we're leveraging to put the odds on our side, we spell all of that out in the note section. After that, there's always a little line that reiterates what the trade structure was. That's really just in case the top bar was a little confusing. So that's how to use our trade alerts. I hope that helped a lot of people. The template was really built in a way to help you become a better trader. So things like having profit targets in mind before you open a trade, always something you want to do. Having a level where you've decided before you enter the trade, you will close the trade, always something you want to do. Having some sound logic behind the trade, you always want to have a story, you want to have a hypothesis of why you're thinking something or other is going to happen. But if you're not doing those things, following at least this trade alert template, that's going to teach you how to build those habits and help you become a better trader.